Morning. How you guys doing this morning? I've already been to coffee, had the coffee, and it's Saturday. The sun is just about up. And what that means on Saturday, on the whatever weekend it is, deer hunting weekend here in Wisconsin, I'll be able to go outside pretty quick and just hear the guns going. Uh, at first light, it's kind of, that depends on who you are, if you like it or not. But anyways, I'm here because I'm not all there, which you all know already. And just checking in. That's what I'm going to do. Try to do every day. Check in with you guys and then sprinkle in some goodies later when I get back to normal putting my videos up. So here we are. I'm going to show you what I did yesterday. That John Deere center section went out yesterday. That was, that machine is gone. So he's back to the woods for next week and yada, yada, yada. Being that it is deer hunting, I don't know if they'll be working this weekend or not. But anyways, it's a mass exodus. If you're ever in Wisconsin then this weekend, all the people from the cities and all that, it's just wall-to-wall pickups coming up our highways. Just, you can't even cross the state highway here half the time because it trumps everything like holidays, 4th of July, Labor Day, all that stuff. It's incredible the amount of people that move up north to go shoot deer. And I don't know, we in the state, I think they kill somewhere around 200,000 deer in 11 days. Maybe it's more, maybe it's closer to 300,000. But anyways, besides that, we'll get back to work here. Or will we? I'll show you. I'm not all done with this joint, just so you know. But joint, I'll show you. I got it prepped for the most part. I got to get up in here and get this little spot so I can get that 100%. But that I followed that crack and basically it's right through. I'm cut right through. I got to widen this out, and then I'll put a backer bar inside that one. It's offset. I got to get it flush. This plate is not parallel with that plate. It's close, but I got to shift this over here, this frame, just a little bit. Won't take much. And this is all I actually got done yesterday. What do you think of that vertical up? That one was a hardwire one. I used a different than, well, here you can see that backer bar on the other side that I used. So yeah, that's where I'm at. I got it cut wide open, and that's, if you can walk across it, you can weld it. That's what they used to tell me. So right now I'm at a 1/4 inch, but I'll be able to, that I'm just going to do full pen because I can walk across that like walking the cup with TIG welding. I can do that with the hardwire, like 035. I'll put a root in there and just, back and forth. So but it's Saturday, and I think I'm going to do some other stuff. Oh, here's the 3 Amigos. When you're doing this, you got to have at least 3 grinders. At least. You got the regular wheel, 1/4 inch, and I use all 5-inch. I don't use 4.5. I can't stand, I find 5-inch for my 4.5-inch grinders. That extra little 1/4 inch makes a world of difference, especially when you're using a cutoff wheel. So that's what I'll do. Grind, cut, blend, and I'm all set. And of course I can't see, so I have to have glasses, but I can see, I just can't always see what I'm doing. Or at least I have to weld with glasses these days, which is just a sign of old age, ain't it? But anyways, yeah, that's all I had was Kyle here yesterday and Josh, and we both worked at getting that center section together for that deer, and that was a treat. Getting them vertical pins in and the bushings and stuff. But we got it. We managed. I had to pull out some of the old tricks out of the old Mike book and show the youngins again how to do that kind of stuff. They know. But yeah, that's all I did. We did. We were worked till about noon, 1 o'clock, and that was it. And you know, trying to chill out a little bit. Everybody else in the state is goofing off, doing their deer hunting and drinking and carrying on. So I think I'm gonna stay out of the shop today and go do something in the house for once. Maybe I'll do some editing. There I go again with the editing. Editing. Yeah. I don't know if you guys ever saw this either. I came up with something new a couple of months ago. I haven't really showed it on here. It's back there. I found me something new one day at a local place, and I decided to get it. So I got it, and someday I'll give you a tour. That's it. So I'm gonna put this on the upload, and you'll see it this morning. Maybe you're in a deer blind in Wisconsin. I don't know. Good luck hunting, and tell your friends, tell your neighbors, and see if you can get them to subscribe to my little channel, and be happy. Be happy, man. Take care of yourself, and I'll do the same. Oh, and a big shout out to Mason, Sean, Wade, Mr. Haley, all those guys that in that loop. You know what I'm talking about. Thanks for being around that stuff, or being around, and yeah, I'll go from there. Just take care, guys. We will see you on the next one.